Hi guys, how's it going? This is the kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is ube white chocolate chip cookies. Check out the full video, and by the way, ube is purple, yeah. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. The dry ingredients: this is 2.5 cup of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and a half teaspoon of cocoa powder. Mix it and set to side. Wet ingredients: this is 1 heaping cup of sugar with 1 cup of peanut oil and 1 heaping teaspoon of ube flavoring. I got this from a Filipino store, purple yam flavoring. Just gonna cream this. And you want to cream this for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna crack in 2 eggs, 1 egg at a time, and they completely combine. I like the smell. It's almost like pandan. It has that sweet smell or scent. If you are familiar with pandan, the screw pine leaf, it's almost like pandan. Crack in 2 eggs. Now we're gonna crack in another egg. My egg carton says large, but the eggs are rather small. Everything is shrinking at the stores. Even the egg sizes are shrinking too. Anyways, cream this until completely combined before we mix in our dry ingredients. Stir in our dry ingredient with your spatula. Then we're gonna fold in 1 cup of white chocolate chips and 1/4 cup of unsweetened coconut. I'm getting Great Value brand, which is non-brand, and it's still expensive. Everything is double the price now, and some of them are tripled. Anyways, mix this until combined. Then mix this again. Now scoop them per 1 tablespoon and drop them on ungreased baking pan or cookie pan like so. Now we're gonna bake this for 8 to 10 minutes on preheated 350 Fahrenheit. Now move cookie as soon out of the oven to cooling rack. Cool completely before storing in the cookie jar.